What is going on, guys? We're back with another video today, you guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Give this video a big thumbs up. Oh, you guys, I'm excited for this one because today we have, obviously, as you can read the title, we got some Carne Asada fries and we got a wet burrito. Like, oh, I'm so excited for this wet burrito. Whoa! My table almost fell. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, look at this. Y'all gotta see this. Okay. Oh my god. You know what? I don't like jalapenos. I hate jalapenos. I'm gonna take these off. I hate jalapenos, you guys. That's one thing about me. I don't like jalapenos. Like, I'll like hot spicy salsa, but I don't like jalapenos. Ugh. Oh my gosh, I feel like, oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. Gosh, let me get rid of this real quick. There you go. Oh my gosh, we got a wet burrito. And we got some carne asada fries from Avocado Burger. Guys, it's located in Moreno Valley. It is really good. Oh my gosh. Let's get to eating. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Let's put some green sauce in this. Oh my god, I'm excited. Where should I start, guys? Where should I start with the burrito, guys? I'm actually, oh my gosh, let me start right here because I know it's the pastor. It's a pastor burrito. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have not had a burrito, a wet burrito, in a long time. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put my soda over here. What is going on, guys? What are you guys up to? What have you guys been up to? Oh my god. Mmm. This meat is really good. We got. So cheesy too. Oh my god, this was worth it. I had to wait a line, guys. It was kind of busy, but worth it. It's kind of spicy, low-key, but good. Guys, the weekend's here. What are you guys gonna do this weekend? What are you guys gonna do this weekend? Oh my god, my burrito's falling apart. It's actually falling. Oh my gosh. This is so heavy, that's why. Guys, it's a little hot right now. I'm actually kind of sweating. Guys, it's been so hot in Cali. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh my god. You know what? I see they put more fries than they put on like meat and pico de gallo and all that stuff. So I think I'm done with this one, guys. Like, that's too much. Too much. Look at it. It's only like fries. But I am getting full, so I think I'm gonna take one more bite and I'm done, guys. One more. Alright, guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I'm gonna save some for my sister because I really don't want to eat all this. I hope next video will be more longer. I promise you guys. Sorry for the short video, but I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.